Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2020 Dodge Journey? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box houses high-current fuses and relays that protect critical systems like the engine, cooling fans, and brake electronics from electrical overloads. Typically located near the battery, passenger compartment fuse box. Located under the dashboard or behind the glove box, the passenger compartment fuse box protects and manages circuits for various interior features, such as cabin lights, infotainment system, power windows, central locking, climate control, and dashboard electronics. It ensures safe operation by preventing overloads and short circuits. Blade fuse. Standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Type of fuses: glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.